Well, hey everybody, I'm over here at Ski Liberty. Today is Saturday, December 27th. The car says it's about 34 degrees out today. And I'm here at the base area over by the Alpine Quad. The snow looks a little soft, but it's not very crowded here. It's about 8:45. Oh, you can't see the clock. There's not too much of a rental line, but looks like it'd probably be an okay day to go skiing here at Ski Liberty. Just a heads up, usually around maybe 11 o'clock it gets a little crowded up. So if you're going to hit it, you want to get here a little bit early. All right. In front of this crew.
Yeah, go to the top of this.
Oh, boy. Oh. Heck no.
We're not supposed to, but, it's the beginner area. It's the race team. Not going fast.
I don't want to be in the middle.
They're going down Blue Street.
That would be the racing part.
Yeah. All right, girls, you can go ahead. Yeah, they're all going down we know.
Whoopsie. I could not see that. Well, time for me to take a little break. It's about 10 o'clock here at the Liberty Lodge. You can see the lines for the rentals are not bad at all. Look at all this activity over here by the ski school area. Still, you know, not too crowded. I mean, for a Saturday, heck yeah, this is good. The snow quality is, I would give it like an 8 out of 10. There are some parts that are not groomed, but you know, overall the snow is really good. The only thing I don't like about today compared to other days, now I go a lot, I like sunny days. You know, with the overcast out, it's a little harder to see stuff as you're coming up on it fast, but if you're a slow beginner skier, it's going to be a lot of fun for you. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.